In today's video, I'm going to teach you create custom contact attributes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up tailored fields in your Brevo account so you can organize, segment, and personalize your communications with confidence. First, let's briefly clarify what a contact attribute is. Think of attributes as custom fields you add to your contacts, like switches or labels that capture information unique to your business. They're incredibly helpful for tailoring campaigns, building targeted segments, and keeping your database clean and consistent. To get started, open your Brevo account and head to Contacts, then select Settings and click Contact Attributes. This is your hub for creating and managing the fields that store extra information about your contacts. Once you're here, make sure you're in the Normal Attributes tab. This section holds the standard, non-calculated fields you'll use most often. Next, click the button labeled Add a New Attribute. You'll be prompted to define what this new attribute should be. Start by giving it a clear descriptive name. For example, if you want to track whether someone is subscribed to a monthly newsletter, you could name it Monthly Newsletter. Consistent naming helps with searchability and reduces confusion later on. Many teams prefer using all caps with underscores for readability, but choose a style that your team agrees on and stick with it. Now select the attribute type. If you just need a simple on or off option, choose Boolean. This gives you a straightforward yes or no, perfect for things like consent flags or subscription status. If you want to capture one or more choices from a defined list, like different newsletter types, interests, or product categories, select category or multiple choice. This keeps your data tidy by limiting entries to the options you define, which helps avoid inconsistent values and makes segmentation more reliable. After you've named the attribute and chosen the type that best matches your use case, click Create Attribute. That's it, the new field is now part of your contact structure. From here, you can start using it in your forms, imports, and automations, and leverage it to build smarter segments and deliver more relevant content. Remember, the goal is to keep your attributes purposeful and easy to maintain. If you're unsure whether you need a new attribute, ask whether it will drive better targeting or reporting. If the answer is yes, it's a good candidate. You've just created a custom contact attribute in Brevo, setting the foundation for cleaner data and more personalized messaging.